Ay, tali. Dali, yung kay nagadalan video. Wala tutoy. Mas kulada ang Taylor Swift. Kita ang brief itlog. Woo! Sulod! Sulod! Sige na. You're on the phone with your girlfriend. She's upset. She's going off about something that you said. She doesn't get your humor like I do. I'm in the room. It's a typical Tuesday night. I'm listening to the kind of music she doesn't like. He'll never know your story like I do. She wears short skirts, I wear t-shirts. She's cheer captain and I'm on the bleacher, dreaming about the day. Anong bleacher? Bakit lang ba? Ang bleacher yung upuan sa gilid ng daan or sa mga ano ng school. Which one yun? Panira ng moment! My God! Sige na, ano na yung love story? Sige, talikod! Sige na! Sige na! Love story, anong gani una? We were both young when I first saw you. I closed my eyes and the flashback starts standing there on a balcony of summer air. Ano sunod? On a balcony of summer air. Ano sunod? Ano sunod? On a balcony young when I first saw you. I closed my eyes and the flashback starts standing there on a balcony of summer air. See the lights, see the party, the ball gowns. See you make your way to the crowd and say hello. Little did I know that you were Romeo, you were throwing pebbles, and my daddy said, stay away from Juliet. I was crying up the staircase, begging you please don't go. And I said, Romeo, take me somewhere we can be alone. I'll be waiting. All there's left to do is run. You says I'll be your prince. Baby, just say yes. Tama na, uy. Sige, mapakilala ka. Hello? Siya nga pa, she, Antonia. Hello, guys. She is my friend kasi mahabang hair niya, kaya she, pagbigyan lang sa pagiging she. She is my friend named Antonio Daig Jr. At medyo nagalit siya. Sige, tago na natin siya sa pangalan. Miriam Chu Smith. Parang snitch ang kanyang mukha. Tingnan nyo, ang lips, parang isang bandera. Bandera ng mga patay. Tingnan nyo, sexy. Tingnan kung may boobies, walang-wala, kawawa. Yan lang po. Bye!